Marcano Studios.
LTASE. We are gonna talk about some sound effects together. 2, 4, 6, 8. Let's get going. Some sounds can be short, like Janisco's pooping sound effect. Some sounds could be medium, like Roxana Lovely's peeing sound effect. And some sound effects can be long, like Aria's 2-minute farting sound effect. Let's talk about sound effects.
Hello guys, IRL Noella here, and I just wanted to say that Season 6 of the Let's Talk About Sound Effects series is finally here. Since this is the first episode of the Let's Talk About Sound Effects from Season 6, I'm going to talk about the farting sound effect from Oki-chan. It was heard in a video called MHA Diarrhea, My AV. It was uploaded 4 years ago on 2021, May 12th. The duration of the sound effect from this video is 3:45 to 4:13. The total seconds are 28. The stomach growling sound effect will be removed at the beginning and end. Here's what it sounds like. See? That's what it sounds like. This sound effect is only used for Untold Loneliness Oswald when he poops in the toilet. Remember kids, if you want to use this sound effect, use it in your videos. But be sure to give credit to Oki-chan before using her sound effect. Also, I'm linking this in the description right here. The sound effect starts at 3:45 and ends at 4:13. Make sure you remove the stomach growling sound effect at the beginning and end, okay? And I will see you later in the next episode. Noella Marcano Studios.